Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Group of Schools. Today I am going to discuss plane geometry. What is geometry? Geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with figures and shapes. Geometry is a Greek word which means geo means earth, metron means measuring. So geometry means measuring of earth, that is nothing but related to figures and shapes. Now in geometry first we have to see the basic terms. What are the basic terms in geometry? Point, line and plane. First let me tell you about point. What is a point? Point means a dot represents a point. If we keep a dot with the sharp tip of pencil, if you keep a point, it denotes a point. So this is point A and can have one more point B. So generally points are named by the capital letters. Next coming to line. What is a line? What is a line? A straight path which connects infinite number of points is a straight line or line. See, this is called line. Here it contains infinite number of points. So it has no end points. It extends indefinitely on both directions. So a line has infinite number of points. So we cannot find its length. We cannot measure the length of a line. And lines are named by two capital letters. For example, if you have AB on this line, so the name of this line is AB. Symbolically it can be represented as line AB. Or we can use lowercase letters also. For example, let me take one more line here. See, with lowercase letters also we can represent the lines. So this is called line L and this is line AB. Next one is plane. What is a plane? A plane is a flat surface which extends infinitely in all directions. For example, look at this figure. So, generally planes are represented by parallelograms. So, this is called plane, example of plane, okay. We can represent it by parallelogram, that's it, but we cannot show the whole plane, okay. And how will you name the plane? A plane is named by three non-collinear points. For example, in this plane, suppose there are 3 points P, Q, R. So the name of this plane is PQR plane. PQR plane or QRP or PRQ. In any way you can name the plane. Or simply with one small letter also we can name the plane. So this can be called as plane G. Okay. Next comes to line segment. What is a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line. For example, if you take a line, suppose this is line AB. See, on this line AB, as I told you, a line contains infinite number of points. If I take the part of a line, that is from A to B, if I take, so this is called line segment. So line segment is a part of a line which has two endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. Okay, and it symbolically it can be denoted as line segment AB, or we can say BA also. Line segment BA. It is a line segment, and we can find the measure of the length of line segment because it has finite length. We can find the length of a line segment, right? Next one is ray. Next one is ray. What is a ray? A ray is also a part of a line. Let us take a line here. Suppose this is PQ line. Okay. Now in this PQ line, if I take the portion from P to the remaining part, that is so this is called ray. So what is ray? A ray starts with one point and the other end it extends indefinitely. That is called ray. And a ray has no definite length. We cannot measure the length of the ray. And rays, how will you name the rays? We can name the rays with the two capital letters, that is from starting point. So here in this figure, the name of the ray is PQ. So PQ ray, symbolically it can be represented like this, but we cannot say it as QP. QP ray we can't say, okay? So this is about ray. So in today's class, what I have discussed about point, line, plane, ray and line segment. Thank you.